Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
Hi. I wanted to share a funny story. I faintly remember when I was in second or third standard, I had participated in this elocution competition. The topic was India of my dreams. Now I don't remember the exact words, but I had painted a picture of a country that was green and peaceful, and its people healthy, wealthy and wise. A country that would give me a stage to shine. A country that gives me opportunity of chasing my dreams. A country of countless passionate hearts and fierce competitive minds. A country that may start as a geography but is a much bigger philosophy. A country that searches for peace and harmony even in the darkest times. Yes, India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. All of us have different perspectives. All of us with different lenses of time. But there is so much love to share with each other, and there is so much more to learn. Our differences are not a problem at all, for that is what makes us human. What do they say? Perfectly imperfect? Oh, I'm so proud that all you Indians are my brothers and sisters. This land has more than 5,000 years of history and culture. Some may argue even more. We've seen so many empires rise and fall. Our businesses have traveled across all oceans and lands. Our culture passed along in all directions. Our philosophies have stood the test of time. No wonder we were the knowledge keepers of the world. Maths, physics, astronomy, medicine, we excelled at almost everything. Over the past few centuries, we may have been bruised and scarred. We may have been through dark times and falls, but across the longest dimension of time, we have stood back again. Stood tall in front of the world, stronger and taller than ever before. Take the latest example. Till 75 years ago, outsiders from faraway lands decided how we live our lives, plundered our nation for all its resources, committed horrific, inhuman crimes. But the entire country fought together to snatch the power to self-govern. Artists through their art, teachers through their lessons, revolutionaries through their blood, and all the leaders who scaled this movement nationwide. We've been passed torches of a very large legacy. How can I not love my country and be proud of its rich and varied heritage? I shall forever strive to be worthy of it. Through my work, the country should become stronger. Through my word, maybe one more feels inspired. And through my time shall I forever remain a student in the pursuit of seeking truth. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all the elders and treat everyone with courtesy. There is a lot of chaos happening in this world. I don't wish to be another source of nuisance. I don't wish to be a cause of harm. I only strive for better solutions. Something that would bring about more calm. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. The one thing I have really understood, the most satisfying adventure is the pursuit of seeking truth. And the funny thing is, there can be so many different truths. When we look at the world through our different lenses in time, all of us interpret the world in a little different way. And that is the only whole truth I have found. And this puts me in the pursuit of trying to understand as many perspectives as possible to try and make sense of this world, so that I can be a better problem solver, so that I can be a better helper, so that I can contribute my small share to improving our quality of life. In your well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. What else can be a more noble purpose to my life? Yes, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all the elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Wish you a very happy Independence.